Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at an electronic keyboard designed specifically with new musicians in mind. This is the Babus 61 key electronic keyboard, and it's presented as a tool for beginners, students, and adults who are just starting their musical journey, even suggesting suitability for professional teaching environments. Right off the bat, it features 61 standard velocity keys. This is a crucial point for beginners because velocity sensitivity means the volume changes depending on how hard you press the key, which is fundamental to learning piano dynamics and expression. Having standard size keys is also important for developing proper finger placement and technique from the start. When it comes to sounds, this keyboard doesn't skimp on variety for its class. It comes loaded with 128 different sounds and 128 rhythms, giving learners plenty to explore beyond just piano tones. There are also dedicated percussion options with 61 keyboard percussion sounds and an additional 6-panel percussion sounds, adding another layer of fun and creativity. For those looking to add expression or practice specific techniques, it includes tremolo and sustain functions. The sustain is particularly important for getting that piano-like resonance. A really useful feature for practice is the built-in recording, playback, and programming capability. This allows users to record their playing, listen back to identify areas for improvement, or even build simple arrangements. Where this keyboard really shines for beginners is in its teaching features. It includes 60 demo songs that users can listen to for inspiration or practice along with. More importantly, it offers 2 distinct teaching modes. There's a synchronized mode and modes for learning single-fingered and multi-finger chords. These modes are designed to guide beginners through the basics of playing songs and understanding harmony, helping them master those fundamental standard skills the product mentions. Beyond the core features, it also includes practical tools like transposition, which lets you change the key of the music easily, a metronome to help develop a strong sense of rhythm and timing, and a dual keyboard function. The dual keyboard feature is great for a teacher and student to play side by side on the same instrument, or for playing duets. Overall, based on the features provided, this Babus 61 key keyboard seems well equipped to meet the needs of beginners, students, and adults who are serious about learning the basics of playing the piano or keyboard. It provides a solid foundation with velocity-sensitive keys and incorporates numerous learning aids and practical functions that can genuinely help a new player develop rich musical knowledge and essential skills. While the term professional performance might be a bit ambitious for a 61-key instrument, its suitability for professional teaching environments makes sense given the robust set of beginner-focused features. It appears to be a comprehensive package for someone starting their musical journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.